Question number 191. In how many days does the work gets completed? Comparison of quantities. What is the quantity one? A alone takes 16 days to complete a work, and B alone takes 50% more time than A. Already A time 16 days, then B time 24 days. Sir. Next, and 4 days more than the C alone to complete the same work or different work? Same work. And 4 days more than the C alone means B compared to C, how many days are more? 4 days more. Means C is how many days? 20 days. For the next line, A and B started the work together and worked for 4 days, and then A left, and C joined the work for 5 days, and then C also left. The remaining work is completed by B alone in how many days, sir? Okay. First 4 days, which one are working? A and B. Next 5 days, B and C. Last work, remaining work is completed by only B. Only B or only C? B. What is the LCM of 16, 24, 20? 240. LCM is 240. 16 how many times? 15. 24, 10 times. 20, 12 times. And here A and B how many days are working? 4 days. What is the A and B efficiency? 25 into how many days? 4 days. 25 for the 100. Next 5 days, which one are working? B and C. What is the B and C efficiency? 22. How many days? 5 days. 22 5 are 110. 100 plus 110. Total 210 is completed. What is the remaining? 30. The 30 is completed by only B. What is the B efficiency? 10. 30 by 10 means 3 days. Q1 is 3 days. What is the Q2 value? 4 days. Then answer Q1 less than Q2 or Q2 is greater than Q1. Q1 is greater than Q2 is greater than Q1. Next 192. Find the initial capacity of the bottle. Quantity 1. A bottle contains full of mixture of milk and water mixed in the ratio of 7:9. 448 ml of mixture is taken out of the bottle and it is replaced with 12 ml of water, so that the ratio of the milk to water in the juice becomes how much? 11:15. What is the initial ratio? 7:9. Means how many parts? One will be 7 parts, another one 9 parts. Total 16 parts. In that 16 parts, how much value are taken? 448. First 448, it is divided by 16. 16 how many times? 2 times, again 8 times. Every one part 28. What are the 7 parts value? 7 into 28. That will be 196. 196. Again 9 parts. 9 into 28. 180 plus 72. 180 plus 72. 252. 252. Again it is replaced with which one? 12 ml of water. Plus 12 or minus 12? Plus 12. After adding 12, we are get the new ratio 11:15. 11:15. Simplify this one, we are get the one part value. Just cross multiplication. 15 into 7. 105. 11 into 9. 99. Difference is 6 parts. Difference is how many parts? 6 parts. Next 15 into 196. 10 times 1960. 5 times 980. Total it is 2940. 2940. Minus 252 plus 12. 240 into how much? 11. 240 into 11 means 2400 plus 240. 2640. What is the difference? 300. 6 parts 300. What is the one part? 50. What is the question here? Initial capacity of the bottle. Initial capacity 16 parts. 16 parts is 800. What is the quantity one? 800, quantity 2 780. What is the answer? Q1 is greater than Q2. 193. What is the quantity 1? 16,000. Quantity 2. Ratio of the income of P and Q is how much? 7:8. And the ratio of the expenditure of P and Q is 5:4. If the savings of P and Q is 4,000 and 8,000, then find the income of Q or not. What is the income ratio? 7:8. Expenditure ratio 5:4. Savings, one will be 4,000, another one 8,000. Suppose first one income 7 parts, second one income 8 parts. Out of 7 parts income, first one how many rupees are saved? 4,000. Second one 8,000 are saving. Income minus saving, that is equal to expenditure. What is the expenditure ratio? 5:4. Denominator 4 multiple 4 how many times? 8,000. 2,000 times 4 how many times? 8 parts. 4 how many times? 2 times. Just cross multiplication. 7 parts 5 into 2 10 parts. Difference 3 parts. 5 into 2,000 10,000 and already 4,000. Difference 6,000. 3 parts are 6,000. What is the question here? Income of Q. How many parts we need? 8 parts. What is the answer? 16,000. What is the Q1 value? 16. Q2 also 16. Then answer Q1 equal to Q2. So 194. What is the breadth of the rectangle? Quantity 1. Radius of the circle is half of the side of a square and the ratio of the length of the rectangle to the radius of the circle is 3:2. But perimeter of a rectangle is how much? 80. Perimeter of a rectangle 80 means L plus B value 40. Perimeter of a square is 112. Then perimeter of a square means 4A. 4A equal to 112. Then A value 28. If A value 28. And what is the condition here? Radius of the circle is half of the which one? Side of a square. Means radius of a circle is 14. Radius of a circle 14. And what is the next one? Length of the rectangle and radius of a circle are in which ratio? 3:2. Means 2 parts are 14. Then 3 parts are 21. Means length of a rectangle is how much? 21. But L plus B 40, L value 21 means B is how much? 19. Next. What is the quantity 2? Ratio of the length and breadth of a rectangle is 4:3. If the perimeter of a rectangle is 84. Perimeter means 2 of L plus B. Means L plus B value 42. L how many parts? 4 parts. B 3 parts. Total 7 parts. 7 parts are 42. Every 1 part are 6. Then 3 parts are 18. 4 parts are 24. What is the question here? Breadth. Breadth means 18. What is the Q1 value? 19. Q2 value 18. Then answer Q1 is greater than Q2. Next 195. What is the time taken by the boat to cover 162 kilometers in still water? The required time taken by boat to cover 160 kilometers in still water means we written 162 by M or S? M. That is equal to time value. Okay. What is the first quantity? Speed of the boat downstream is 6 km per hour more than the speed of the boat in upstream. Means downstream speed compared to upstream speed, how much value are more? 6 more. And if the boat can travel 45 kilometers upstream and 90 kilometers downstream in how many hours? 15 hours. Speed of the boat in downstream is 6 km per hour more than the speed of the boat in upstream. Means the downstream speed is 6 more than the upstream speed. What is the downstream speed? M plus S. What is the upstream speed? M minus S. Equal to how much? 6. M get cancelled. 2S equal to how much? 6. S value 3. And what is the downstream upstream distance? 45. What is the downstream distance? 90. Then upstream speed we written M minus 3. Downstream speed M plus 3. These two are adding, we are get the total time. Total time is 15 hours, sir. Simplify this one, we are get the m value. 15 how many times? 3. 15 how many times? 6, sir. Okay. And take the m value. First one 3 into which one? M plus 3. Second one 6 into m minus 3 equal to m square minus 9. Verification చేద్దాం. Take the m value 50, 12. Take the m value 12. 12 minus 3 9. How many times? 5 times. Second one 12 plus 3 15. How many times? 6 times. 9 plus 6 15. M equal to how much? 12. What is the question here? 162 kilometers in still water. 162 by 12. Then we are get the time value. Okay. Still water means S value 0. Okay. 4 how many times? Denominator 3 times. Numerator it is 4 multiple? No. 162 and 12. 3 how many times? 4. Numerator 5, 4. Again 54 by 4 means 27 by 12. That will be 13 and a half hours, sir. What is the second quantity? The speed of the boat in still water is 2 times more than the speed of the stream, and the boat covers 144 kilometers upstream in how many hours? 8 hours. 144 kilometers upstream, nothing but 144 by 8. That is equal to m minus s or m plus s? M minus s. 144 by 8 means 18 kilometer per hour. Boat speed is 2 times more than the which one? Speed of the stream. Suppose speed of the stream we are consider 1 part. Boat speed are 3 parts. What is the difference? 2 parts equal to 18. What is the 1 part value? 9. And what is the 3 parts value? 27. Again 162 kilometers it is covered with a speed of which one? 27. 162 by 27. Almost 6 times, sir. 6 times, sir. What is the Q1 value? 13 and a half hours. Q2 value 6. Then answer Q1 greater than Q2. Next 196. The data is regarding to the 5 shopkeepers who sold 3 types of sari, cotton, nylon and silk in a particular month. And here the line graph shows the average number of cotton and nylon sarees sold, total number of cotton and silk sarees sold, and percentage by which the number of silk sarees sold is more than the number of nylon sarees are sold in a particular month. How many months are given? 5 months, sir. A, B, C, D and E. What is the number of types of, how many types of sarees? 3 types. First one cotton, second nylon, next silk. What is the first data? Average number of cotton and nylon sarees sold is in shop A how much? 188. Average 188 means what is the sum value? 376. The 376 is the which one? Cotton plus nylon equal to how much? 376. Yes or no? What is the next line? Total number of cotton and silk sarees is how much? 416. Cotton plus silk equal to how much? 416. These two difference equal to which one? Silk and nylon equal to how much? 40 or no? Yes or no? What is the next line? Percentage by which the number of silk sarees sold is more than the Number of nylon sarees sold. Silk compared to nylon, how much percent or more? 25% more. Okay, 25% means what is the fraction? 1 by 4. If nylon is 4 parts, silk is 5 parts. Difference is 1 part, that is equal to how much? 40. 4 parts are 160. Next 5 parts are 200. Yes or no? Means silk is how much? 200. Nylon is 160. Cotton plus nylon 376. Cotton plus nylon is how much? 376. In that nylon value 160. Subtracting we are get the cotton value how much? 210. Okay, then every value written. What is the silk value? Silk is how much? 200. Next nylon 160. Silk is how much? 200. Nylon is 160. Cotton 216. Okay. What is the second one? Shop B. Cotton. What is the average of cotton and nylon? 208. Sum is how much? 416. That is cotton plus nylon. Cotton plus nylon equal to how much? 416. Total number of cotton and silk. How much? 480. Cotton plus silk, it is equal to how much? 480. Difference equal to silk minus nylon equal to how much? 64. What is the B percentage here? 40%. 40% more or 40% less? 40% more. What is the fraction? One is 7 parts, another one 5 parts. How many parts are different? 2 parts. What is the 2 parts value? 64. Every 1 part 32. 5 parts are 160. 7 parts are 224. Means we return silk is how much? 224. Next nylon 160. Next cotton plus nylon 416. In that nylon 160. What is the remaining? 256. The 256 are which one? Cotton and yes or no? Next, what is the C? What is the C? Cotton plus nylon. Cotton plus nylon equal to how much? 468. Next, cotton and silk sarees. Cotton and silk sarees is 516. Difference between silk and nylon is 48. What is the percentage difference? 20%. Means one will be 5 parts, another one 6 parts. Difference is 1 part. 1 part are 48, 5 parts are 240, 6 parts are 288. Silk is how much? 288. Nylon 240. Next, obviously cotton is 468 minus 280, 288. 468 minus 288, 280. 200, sorry, 460, 180. That will be 180. Next, what is the D? D, cotton plus nylon. Cotton plus nylon. Cotton plus nylon is how much? 352. Cotton plus silk 412. Then we are get the silk minus nylon equal to how much? 60. What is the percentage difference? 60% more. 60% means 3 by 5. One is 5 parts, another one 8 parts. Difference 3 parts. 3 parts 60. 5 parts are 100. 8 parts are 160. What is the nylon value? Nylon 100 and nylon is 100. Silk is 160. And what is the together value of cotton plus nylon? 352. In that nylon already 100 means remaining 252 are cotton. Okay. Next, what is the last one? Average value is how much? 233. Sum value 466. Already here 564. 564 and 466. Difference is 98. That 98 is 50% more means what is the ratio? 3 is to 2 or 3 is to 2. What is the sum value? Cotton plus nylon is how much? 466. Cotton plus silk is how much? 564. Difference means silk minus nylon equal to how much? 98. 98. What is the ratio? 50% more means one is 3 parts, another one 2 parts. One part are 98, 2 parts are 196. 3 parts are 294 or 294. What is the nylon value? 196. Silk value 294. And already we know cotton plus nylon 466. In that 196 are subtracting. Remaining 270 and 270. అర్థం కాలే. Cలో కాటన్ వాల్యూ 220. Calculation mistake. Cotton 228. Questions మాట్లాడాలా? All are in direct questions. 196 question. The total number of sarees sold by D is what percent more or less than that by B? Total sarees of B means this total value. Next, total sarees of D means this one total is what percent more? We are get the answer. Next, 197 also direct value. If the profit earned by shopkeeper C on selling each cotton, nylon and silk saree is 400, 250 and 500. Find the profit earned by the C from the selling sarees. Okay, we require total profit. First one, cotton. How many cotton? CC. What is the cotton number of? 228. Nylon 240. Silk 288. But we required overall profit of all the items or only one item? All the items. Means first one we written 228 into which one? 400. Second one 240 into 250. Next one 288 into which one? 500. All these are adding, we are get the total profit value. Each item 400 profit. 228 items profit. 228 into 400. Second one, each item 250 profit. 240 items 240 into 250. Third one, each item profit 500. Total 288 items profit. All these are adding, we are get the total profit. Next, 198. Find the average number of cotton sarees sold by ACE. I think direct question. Cotton ACE values adding or subtracting? Adding. By average means divide by 3. Next, 199. Difference between the total number of sarees sold by shopkeeper A and that by shopkeeper E. A total value and E total value difference. Next, 200 question. Find the ratio of the number of nylon sarees sold by C to the number of cotton sarees sold by B. Nylon of C. I think what is the nylon of C? 240. Cotton of B 256. 240 and 256. 16 15 times 16 times. What is the ratio? 15 is to 16. Question number 186. There are online courses for 3 exams. Question number 186. There are online courses for 3 exams: RRB, SBI and IBPS. The courses of each exam comes in 3 different price ranges: test series, video and pro series. The bar graph shows the information regarding the total number of aspirants who purchased courses in a particular batch. Okay, and here RRB. Next one SBI. Next one. Next IBPS. What are the RRB total members? 765. Next SBI total members 975. IBPS 585. Next each exam again 3 different series is there. First one test series, second one video, next one pro series. Sir. What the table are given? The table given gives the information regarding the number of courses each exam price range are sold. First RRB percentage by which number of video course sold is more than the number of test series is sold. Okay, means video value compared to test series value, how much percent are more? 20% more. 20% means what is the fraction? 1 by 5 means one is 5 parts, another one 6 parts. Means test series is how many parts? 5 parts. Test series is 5 parts. Video course 6 parts. Next pro series. What is the next line? Next line percentage by which the number of pro series course sold is less than the number of video course sold. Pro value compared to video value 1/3 less or 1/3 more? 33.33 means 1/3 or 1/4? 1/3. 1/3 means 1/3 less. What is the 1/3 of 6? 2 parts. 6 minus 2. 4 parts. That 4 parts are which one? Pro value? Yes or no? 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. What is the 15 parts value? 765. What is the 1 part value? 15. Total how many parts? 15 parts are 15 5 how much? 75. Remaining 15 are how many times it is? 1 time. Total it is 50 1 time. 5 parts is how much? 5 into 51. 255. Next 6 parts. 306. Next 4 parts. 204. 204. Next SBI. SBI video compared to test series, how much percent are more? 75% more. 75% means what is the fraction? 3 by 4 means test series is 4 parts, video series 7 parts. Next pro series compared to video series, how much percent are less? 71 3 by 7. 71 3 by 7 means what is the fraction? 5 by 7 means one will be 7 parts, another one 5 parts lesser means remaining 2 parts. 4 parts, 7 parts and 2 parts. Total how many parts? 13 parts. What is the 13 parts value? 975. Every 1 part 75. 13 7 the again 13 5 times. 1 part will be 75. 4 parts are 300. 7 parts 525. What are the 2 parts? 150 or not? Next IBPS. And here IBPS video value compared to test series value, how much percent are more? 55% more. 55% means what is the fraction? 11 by 20 means one will be 20 parts, another one 31 parts. 31 parts. Next pro series compared to video series, how much percent are less? 54 26 by 31%. First of all 54 into 31 plus 26 are first 54 into 31 how much? 31 5 the 155 1550. 31 4 the 124 plus how much value are adding? 26. Total it is 1700. 1700. 124 plus 26 150. 1550 plus 150 1700. 1700 by which one? 3100. 2 zeros are cancelled. Means out of 31 parts, how many parts are less? 17 parts are less. What are the remaining? 14 parts are not. Means this one are 31 parts means another one 14 parts are not. Yes or no? Total how many parts? 20 plus 31, 51 plus 14, 65. 585 divided by 65 or not? How many times? 9 times or not? 20 parts. What is the 20 parts value? 180. 31 parts value 279. 14 parts value 126 or not? 126. We are getting all the data or not? Test series, video and pro series or not? What is the first question? Question చేస్తారా చెప్పాలా?